back to our channel. So first things first, I think we should address the big elephant in the room, and that's that I still haven't unloaded my car. I'm just kidding, guys. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm pretty sure you can tell because I can see it from the camera. My lip is swollen. I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys, but just recently, like maybe the start of this year, whenever I seem to like get stressed or like I'm just in my own head, my face gets swollen. So like my lips will get swollen, my eyes will get swollen, my fingers will get swollen, you know, my toes will get swollen, something like that. So I think it has to do with stress. At least that's what my mom told me, because she says it happens to her. But I'm definitely gonna go to the doctor and get this checked out, because I've had it all day, and normally I only have it for like maybe like 2 to 3 hours. So I was like, I don't know, I was like, I don't know if I could pull off this look, but it looks so funny to me. But I didn't want to miss out on doing these digital deals. I was beating myself up over it, and you know, I wanted to do them Sunday, and then something came up. I wanted to do them Monday, and then I completely forgot that Dana's school, because she's doing distant learning from home, they completely changed her schedule. She used to do morning, and then they changed her to afternoon. So then I was like stuck at home, you know, with her and her school learning. So I couldn't do the deals Monday or Sunday, but now it's Tuesday. I'm here in the afternoon. I want to get them done. I like had to drag myself out of bed, because normally like when I have this, I get a headache as well, and then I just feel like, ugh, I'm like, it just looks funny, I don't want to go out. But then Jay's like, you're gonna be wearing a mask anyways, and I was like, that's not the point. It's like I can still feel it. So I'm gonna put on a mask to not distract you guys from all of this, and we are gonna go into the store and do the digital deals of the week. I'm super excited. All right guys, jumping into the first deal, and I'm already feeling a whole lot better just being in the store. So we're gonna be doing the L'Oreal mascara deal. These are buy 2 and get a $5 gift card. Also remember, if you spend $15, you get a free tweezer set. So I'm gonna head over to the tweezer set after and then grab those. But I'm gonna be grabbing a mascara. We do have a $2 off digital coupon, and then I also have some in-app only coupons. So for this account, I have two $2 off 1 L'Oreal mascaras, and then I also have a $7 off a 21 L'Oreal Cosmetic CRT that I'm going to be using as well. So this deal is very similar to the paper deal one that I did. The only thing is that we're not going to be using paper coupons. So I'm going to be grabbing one of these priced at $11.99, and then I'm going to be grabbing one of these priced at $9.59. Now doing the breakdown, it is going to be $9.59 plus $11.99. That's going to bring us to $21.58. We're going to subtract the 7 off 21 L'Oreal Cosmetic CRT. We are going to subtract the $2 digital coupon, and then we are going to subtract $4 for the in-app coupons. That is going to bring us down to $8.58. We are going to get $5 back, making it only $3.58 for our 3 items, because we're going to get the tweezer set, making it only $1.19. Scooting on over, we are going to be doing the Revlon deal. This one I also shared with the paper deals. These are spend 10 and get a $4 extra buck. I have a $6 off 20 Revlon Cosmetic CRT that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be grabbing a face cosmetic product. We are going to be using that $3 off 1 digital coupon. And then I'm going to be grabbing an eye product, and we are going to be using that $3 off 1 digital coupon for the eye product. So I'm actually switching it up a little bit. I'm going to be grabbing one of these concealers priced at $10.99, and then one of these eyeliners priced at $9.49. So doing the full breakdown, it is going to be $9.49 plus $10.99, bringing us to $20.48. We're going to subtract the 6 off 20. We're going to subtract $6 for the digital coupons, and that's going to bring us down to $8.48. We are going to get $8 back, making this only 48 cents for the 2. Just quickly wanted to mention that we are getting $8 in extra bucks back on this Revlon deal, because this is a limit of 6 this week. So every $10 that we spend, we are going to get $4 back. On the deal that I just mentioned, we are spending $20, so that's why we're getting $8 back in extra bucks. Now next deal we're doing is going to be on the CoverGirl. These are buy 2 and get $7 back in extra bucks. I do have a $3 off CoverGirl Cosmetic CRT that I'm going to be using, and then we are going to be grabbing some of these eyebrow pencils. Here they're priced $6.49, and we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon for these. And then I'm gonna be grabbing one of their concealers priced at $7.99, and there is also a $3 off 1 digital coupon for these. So now doing the full breakdown on the 2 items that I mentioned, it is going to be $6.49 for the eyebrow pencils plus $7.99 for the concealer, bringing us to $14.48. We are going to subtract $6 in the digital coupons, $3 in the CRT, and that is going to bring us down to $5.48. We're going to get $7 back in extra bucks, making this $1.52 money. Now a super easy deal on the whole blends and the Garnier Fructis. These are on sale 2 for $7, and when you buy 2 you get $2 in extra bucks. Now we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon for the whole blends, and we also have a $3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis. So you guys can choose whether you want the Garnier Fructis or you want the Garnier whole blends. Super easy math. That $3 off digital coupon is going to apply. It's going to bring you down to $4. You're going to get $2 back, making this only $2 for 2, which is $1 each. But I did want to mention, if you guys go over to coupons.com, I will have it linked in my description as well. You guys can print out a coupon for the whole blend or print out a coupon for the Fructis, and then you can use that $3 off 1 printable coupon plus the digital coupon because it will glitch. So it will bring you down to $1. You'll get $2 back, making it a $1 moneymaker for 2. Super easy, guys. Next deal that I'm doing, not really much of a deal, but I do love this facial cleanser, and I happen to have 2 CRTs. It takes $5 off of 1, so I'm going to be using those 2. It is priced $14.49. So once those 2 apply, it's only going to be $4.49. But if you guys head over to the CeraVe website, they do have $4 off 1 printable coupons for these, so it would only be 49 cents for 1. Next thing we're doing is going to be on the Poise. I did share this one on my latest video. If you guys have the printable coupon plus the digital, it is going to make 2 of these completely free. But I'm not going to be doing that scenario. I'm going to be grabbing 2 of these and using the digital coupon, the $5 off 2. And then I also have a $3 off 3 pads, tampons, or liner CRT that I'm going to be using. So since I have that $3 off 3 CRT, I'm going to grab these Utex liners. They are priced $179. So doing the full breakdown, it is $10 for the Poise plus $179 for the Utex, and it's going to bring us to $11.79. We're going to subtract the $3 off 3 CRT, the $5 digital coupon, and that's going to bring us down to $3.79, making it $126 for our for each item. Now next year we're doing is going to be on the Pampers. These are 2 for $20, and when you spend $20 you get $5 back in extra bucks. Now we do have a $3 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app, and I also have a $4 off 20 any diaper CRT. So I'm going to be using the digital coupon plus the CRT for this deal. Doing the breakdown, it is going to be $20 for 2 minus the $3 digital, the $4 CRT. That is going to bring us down to $13. You are going to get $5 back in extra bucks, making this only $8 for 2, which is $4 each. So definitely not bad at all. Now for our last deal, and probably my favorite deal of the week, it is going to be on the Tide. We have these on promo. When you spend $20, you get $5 back in extra bucks. So we are going to be grabbing a bag of Tide Pods for $4.94, and we are going to be using a $2 off 1 digital coupon for these. We are also going to be grabbing a bag of Game Flings priced at $4.94 and using a $2 off 1 digital coupon for these. Now last item we're grabbing is going to be a big Tide liquid. These are on sale for $11.94, and we are going to be using a $3 off 1 digital coupon for this one. So now doing the full breakdown, it is going to be $11.94 plus $4.94 times 2 for the Game Flings and the pods, bringing us to $21.82. We are going to subtract the $3 digital coupon for the Tide liquid, the $2 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, and the $2 digital coupon for the Game Flings. That is going to bring us down to $14.82. We're going to get $5 back, making this only $9.82 for our 3 items, which is $3.27 each. So definitely not bad at all if you're using digital coupons. Alright guys, that is going to be all for this video. Now like last week, I am not going to be doing the digital deals because I'm going to be doing the paper deals. Like for this account, I'm going to be doing some more paper deals instead of just only the digital deals. And yeah, this store didn't have any cards, so I'm carrying this basket around. But I am pretty confident all these digital deals will work. I have shared these digital deals, you know, before, you know, using the CoverGirl digitals, using the Tide digitals, the Pampers digitals. All of those will attach. The Poise, I already did it earlier this week, so I know that digital will attach, no issues. But if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'm going to be doing like very similar deals, but I'm just going to be using paper coupons. Like for the L'Oreal, I'm going to be using the $2.50 off 1 paper coupons. for these, I'm gonna be using the paper coupon and having it glitch, so it's gonna be a $1 money maker. And then I'm still debating if I'm gonna get the diapers, because $4, I don't really know if I need diapers, so I'm definitely gonna see. But other than that, that is gonna be all for this video. Let's see an update on this lip. Oh my yeah, still not healed, but hopefully it gets better. But let me know what you guys think of these deals, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.